Oh, hello everybody. This is Michelle Peppers of Stamp with Michelle Pepper. So I just wanted to make a video to show you the designer series paper cards club that I have for this set of paper, which is Regal Winter. So here are the designs and of the paper. So rather than giving you just samples of the paper, this is the card design that I have come up with, so that you can use those samples of paper and put them into a card just like this, right? So so there are all the different papers, the 6 designs that are from this pack of paper. It's called Regal Winters from Stampin' Up. And I wanted to show you, of course, all our designer series paper are double-sided. So that one, the flip side of that is that. So you've got that. And then that one, you've got the flip side of that one is this. So you can see that there are actually 12 designs out of this pack of paper. So you get 12 sheets, okay? So and that one is that one. And this is that, and so that leaves that. So I am going to now demonstrate, okay, so just put these all away again. I'm now going to demonstrate how we, how we're going to do this, right? So it's really straightforward. It's not an overly hard card, and as you will find out, or as you have found out, if you have been part of this designer series papers cards club that I run. I know it's such a big mouthful. I've got to find a better name for it. Okay, so all we need to do is you get your base, all right, of basic white, and then you get this sheet of DSP. So you can either just do it straight on like that, but hey, we're going to make it a little bit more exciting. So we're just going to rip it, all right. And then just rip that as well. So maybe, is that enough? Maybe a little bit more, okay? And then all I do is just kind of roll this. Now, if there was really, oh, this is really nice pattern. So maybe you want to show, oh, wait, I wanted to, oops, I completely changed. I wanted to show you the flip side of this, so I wanted to do this. Well, maybe we can do it the other way. Okay, we'll do that. That was so funny. I wanted to show you the other side, you see. So, oh well, this is now going to be opening this way because I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. Oh, I had all these great plans, but that happens. And so, yeah, so you just roll it, okay? So did I? Oops, that's the wrong paper, sorry. Ah, man. Here, this is the paper. This is the flip side, so you can see the flowers. As you can see, because it was pretty, so I wanted to show more of it. So instead of rolling it, I did that way, like just kind of like you just tear it open type thing. Whereas the other ones where the paper is a bit more plain on the other side, I have rolled it. So in this case, the other side is a little bit plainer, so I don't mind rolling it. So it's kind of like opening a scroll, right? That kind of feeling. So yeah, so that's all there is to it. And then we're going to kind of lay there, and just let me get a block. And I'm using the stamp So Thankful for You from So Sincere. I do like this sentiment. I think, is that the one? Nope, that's So Thankful for You, that one. Alright, so let's put this on like so. And I am using Blackberry Bliss impact. So I'm going to do that. Okay, hopefully that's alright. And right about here, it looks like I might need to roll it back a bit more. So I'm just going to move that along, just as long as I'm getting it at the right at the right height. So I'm going to stamp it on there. Okay, so thankful for you. And then I'll pull it back, and it's not too bad. I think I can deal with it. Like, so maybe I just need to pull it back a little bit more. Alright, okay, I'm going to close this ink pad before I get ink all over my fingers and hands and projects, which wouldn't be good. Alright, so that's all I need to do. And I'm just going to glue it now. Love using my liquid glue, so you can see that's the flip side of that paper. Okay, so that's what you get in the Papers Cards Club. Alright, each month I select a set of designer series paper. We've got so many of them from Stampin' Up, so it's just, yeah, this is a good way for people to get some cards done really easily and quickly. So you always have a set of cards on hand. But also, if you didn't want to buy a whole pack of paper, which range from about, I don't know, $26, $25 to the specialty papers, which might be over $30. So, so there, I'm just going to use a glue dot. Grab my pin. Ooh, okay. Okay, I'm just going to use a glue dot to try and stick it on. And maybe another one. Okay, so you can roll this as tightly as you want it. Okay, make quite a big bump here, so just be mindful of that. But yeah, so that is all there is to it. And then if you wanted to, you can just add some embellishment, which is what I did. Which are the birdie ones? So where are those birdies? Let me just try and scrunch and find it. Here we go. We've got birdies, and we've got dragonflies. You can also use the butterflies ones that we also have. But I will be giving you these birdies. So we've got one right here, and one down here. Okay, so there you go. There you have it. We have our 6 cards. So you will get, when you if you're part of this club, you know the drill. You get these papers, you get these card kits. All right, there will be 6 of them. The idea is that you pull one out, you know, from your envelope. All the things that you need for that card will be in the envelope. You can do this within 5 minutes, okay, or less, hopefully, or maybe slightly more or less, 5 minutes. So it's not going to take up a lot of your time. And if you wanted to have a afternoon just getting it all through, then you just pull out everything and then you just do a production line. But otherwise, this is what you'll get. You'll get 6 because there are 6 sheets, and it's up to you which side you use. But I have demonstrated it with these sides, and then yeah, you can put it together really easily, send them on to your friends and family, and just make their day, right? No point in hoarding the paper. So this way it's all cut out for you, ready to go, and you can just stamp. If you don't have the stamp set, you can certainly order it from me. Otherwise, there's probably a stamp that you could use in your stash. And yeah, just use them. And so this is a great club to be part of, because every month you will get different set of papers. And Stampin' Up is constantly coming out with new ones, so you'll never get the same set of papers. And the designs, I try and vary it up. So this month it's this design, and next month we'll have a different design, and the previous month we had a different design. So every month you will have different designs, and maybe, if you've been with me for a year or two, there might be a repeated design, but you know that it looks different because it will have different set of supplies. Alright, okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope you have fun putting all these cards together, and I know your recipients would really appreciate having them. Bye!